Good morning, students. The next part is trapezium of the chapter area of trapezium and polygon. So let's see this topic, that is trapezium. Now trapezium, we have already studied about the figure, that it is having two parallel sides and two non-parallel sides. So for area, and the distance between the two parallel sides is taken as h. So the area of trapezium will be half sum of the parallel sides into height. Here the parallel sides are taken as AB. So it will be half into A plus B into H. You can take any of the alphabet you feel like. Okay, let's see the first question. The first question is saying you have to find the length of the parallel side, and the length of the parallel sides are given in the ratio. Area of trapezium is given and the height is given. So let's make the figure for this question. Always you make the figure first, so it will be easy to you to solve the question. So trapezium is something like this. This is the trapezium. This is trapezium, or you can, this is more like isosceles trapezium. Let's make it again. It will be better if you make it with the scale. So this is trapezium. Now these are two parallel sides, and the height is given here as 10 centimeter. So height is 10 centimeter and area is given. So area of trapezium is taken as half A plus B into height. Now here area is given as 120, half A plus B, that is ratio is given, so we'll just take the ratio as 3x and 5x, and height is given as 10 centimeter. It is 8 into 10. So from here we can find the value of x as 120 into 2 upon 8 into 10. The zeros will be cancelled. This is 2 4s and 2 6s, 2 3s, 2 2s. The value of x is finally 3. So sides will be 9 comma 15. This is 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are 15. So the value, we'll just got the value of x as 3. You'll just substitute over here and we'll get the value as 9 centimeter as and 15 centimeter. You can see here, which is a requirement for the question. The next part of the question is area of trapezium is given as 880 centimeter square. Length of the parallel sides is given 60 and 28 respectively, and you have to find the distance between you. It means you have to find the height or the distance between the parallel sides. It means you have to find the height. We'll just consider the height as h, and again we'll just put the values. Area of trapezium is given as 880. From here you can just substitute the value and get the answer as height as 20 by solving it. The next part you can see, in the next part of the question it says the area of trapezium shaped field is 1920 meters square. Height is given here and one side of the parallel side is 40. You have to find the other side of the other parallel side. It means only one parallel side is given and you have to find the other parallel side. Okay, area is given here, height is given here, so we'll just put the values whatever is given. Half into one side is given as 40, in the next side you'll just consider as x. Height is given, area is given. You just solve this. You just solve this. By solving this, we'll get here as, just let's solve this. This is 40 plus x into 15 equal to 920. I'll just bring 15 down and cancel it. By cancelling it by 15, we are getting 128, and after that you'll just subtract 128 minus 40. You will get the value of other parallel side. So the other parallel side is 88. The similar way, the next part of the question is says that area of trapezium is given as 210 centimeter square. Height is given one parallel side, longer parallel side, and the other parallel side is given as 6. You have to find two parallel sides. If one of the parallel side is longer than other by 6, it means they are saying that one parallel side is, if you just take one parallel side as x, the other parallel side is x plus 6, because it is 6 times, it is 6 centimeter longer than that. It means you have to add 6 to the side which is smaller. So, and height is given as 14 centimeter just and area is given as 210 centimeter. Okay, nothing is there in the question, just solve it. Half, you'll just put the value, write the formula, half sum of the parallel side into height is equals to area. Area is given, height is given, put the values you have considered, that is x plus 6, and here you can get the, you can cancel it, 2 1s are 2 and 2 7s are 14, or you can just bring 14 down and take to that side. It's again the same thing, or you can solve it over here only, whatever you feel like. From here you just got the value as 30. Take 6 to this side, it will be 30 minus 6, that is 24, and the value of x is 24 by 2, that is 12. So one side is 12, the other side will be x plus 12, that is 6 plus 12, that is 18. You got the value of x as 12, that is the smaller side is 12, so longer side will be 12 plus 6, that is 18. So the two sides are 18 and 12 centimeters. In the similar way, we can do the exercise part of the question, which is given in the book. Okay, here are some problem of exercise part of the question. You can see the exercise part. In this exercise part, we have some questions of rhombus, some question of trapezium, and some questions of parallelogram. The next part is the parallelogram. Now parallelogram, for parallelogram we have the area is taken as base into height, and whatever you have to find, you have to substitute the value and write it. Here you can see parallelogram ABCD is given here. AB is given as 6, AB is given here as 16, BC is given here as 12, and the diagonal is given as 20. You have to find the area. So area will be A plus B plus C by 2. First we find the semi perimeter, as we were doing in the part, that is the triangle part we have just studied in the previous exercise, the triangle part. So it is A is 16, B is 12, and B is 20, and after that C is 12 on the side, because it is forming a triangle. So we'll just find the value of semi perimeter, and after that we'll find the area of triangle ABC. This is ABC, and then after we'll find the area of parallelogram, that is 2 times of 96, because in this parallelogram both the triangles will be equal, because it bisects the diagonal bisect. If you find the one side, the other side will be automatically the similar. So it is 96, this triangle is 96, so this triangle will also be 96. So you'll just multiply 2 times 96, 2 into 96, and that will be the area of the parallelogram. The next part is the rhombus part. For rhombus, you have to find the perimeter of rhombus. It is 4 into side. Area of rhombus is half into product of its diagonals. For area of square, we were doing side into side, but for area of rhombus, we have half into product of diagonals. So it is AC into BD. These are the diagonals which is taken, so it is half of the product of diagonals. So let's see the first question for rhombus. The diagonal of rhombus is given as 16 and 12. We have to find the area, length of the side, and the perimeter. So area of rhombus is given, we have just understood that it is half into product of diagonals. So it is half into 16 into 12. So we'll get 96. Now diagonals are given here as 16 and 12. We'll just make the figure. So you'll just half 16 because diagonal bisect equally. So it will be 8 plus 8 and 5 plus 5. And after that you have to apply Pythagoras theorem and find the value. Because the diagonals bisect at 90 degrees, so you will get a right angle triangle, and then after, if you get a right angle triangle, you have to apply Pythagoras theorem. And applying Pythagoras theorem, it is hypotenuse square plus the square of the two sides. So it is 8 square plus 6 square, that is 100. So finally you will get the value of AB, that is this one. The value of AB will be 10, and once you will get one side, you can find the perimeter by 4 into side, that is 4 into 10, that is 40. So this way we do the questions of the exercises. I'll give you some of the questions, solved question of the exercise, and some questions will be given to you as assignments. In the next part of the video, we'll deal with the last topic, that is circle.